Today I'm going to show you how to create an opening balance for your chart of accounts. There are actually three ways on how to do that. So first is via the chart of accounts screen, second is by creating a journal entry, and lastly is via the registers screen. So first I'm going to show you how to create it in the chart of accounts screen. So let's go ahead and click on the gear at the upper right, click on chart of accounts. And let me share to you that you would only be able to create an opening balance on your balance sheet accounts in this screen, and you would only be able to create an opening balance for new accounts. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So first we have to create an account. Click on New, select a balance sheet account. So I'll have to select cash and cash equivalents, enter the name of the account. And at the bottom, you will see a field where you can enter the balance of this account. So enter the amount, enter the date of the balance, and then click on Save and Close. After you key in the balance, it's going to show the amount on the QuickBooks balance field. You will notice that for a non-balance sheet accounts, there wouldn't be any options to show the opening balance field. So let's go ahead and try an expense account. As you can see, there isn't any option for you to select or to enter an opening balance for this particular account. Right? So next thing is I'm going to show you is how to create the opening balance on your journal and using the journal entry function.